Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year just passed. We had really too much big fish, big meat during Chinese New Year. It is time to go back to my favorite small little fish. I have some very fresh white pomfret with me today, and I'm just going to pan fry it and eat it with some chili padi with soya sauce. So after you wash, you degut the fish, this one here, clean the cavity, and then usually I ask the seller to degut for me lah. Then you can marinate it with a little bit of fine salt, Then you prepare a wok with some oil or deeper pan like what I'm using today, and this is a 28 centimeter pan. Once you heat up the oil, you can put in the fish slowly. I got 6 pieces. I will do 3 at one time. Don't be too greedy. If you put in too much fish, it will lower down the oil temperature, which it will make your deep frying time longer. So this is after close to about 2 minutes. Let me flip fish over. Nice golden brown. I'll give this side another 2 minutes. So I'll come back shortly. This is after another 2 more minutes. Let me flip the fish over. Alright, it is basically done. I just want to get the char I'm looking for. This one over here, ready? Only after 4 minutes of frying. Look at the beautiful golden brown color. Ooh. Even the fins at the sides and the bones at the head is all crispy. I can eat the whole thing almost. Who else likes small fish like Appa? Look at this. Okay, I've got out some chili padi, some shallot. This is a lemon. If you have calamansi, even better. I don't have calamansi today, so I put in some lemon. Okay, you can also put the lemon inside if I want. Never mind, I'll take it out. It doesn't look so good. Then I'm going to give it some light soya sauce with combination with a bit of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Done. This is going to taste really good together with the fried little pomfret. Yummy. Will you order this dish if restaurant is selling it? I don't know how much they want to sell because it's a small pomfret. But if they sell this dish, I will order. Appa will order. I like small fish. I like all this crispy, very aromatic, deep fried, small little fish. Okay, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.